let's have a look at Russell and Nasdaq. Let's get straight into it. Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video today, because trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There are so many areas you need to become good at to become a good trader. Emotional mastery, chart reading, trading systems, money and trade management. So this video is just educational only to help you become a much better trader. Alright, quick little update in the Russell and Nasdaq market. Nasdaq, or should I say Russell for me, guys, I was saying in yesterday's video that the Russell looks like it's trying to form a bit of a bear flag, and you actually can see that's what's happening right now. We had a big run down through here, and now we're forming this sort of action through here, and you can see we've got these big strong sellers, and then now you've got this sort of weaker buyers coming up through here. So to me that's actually building a bear flag, and it looks like it actually wants a bit more downside to come. And what I do say is that I'm not going to preempt that and say that the market's definitely going to drop through there, but the market is definitely showing that right now. Because the reason why I say I'm sort of on the sidelines with that, because sometimes a bear flag doesn't become a bear flag. Sometimes you've seen it before, right? Sometimes what looks like a bear flag can just simply take off. You wait for the breakout. If we do get the breakout to the downside and we start to get the close below this level, then yeah, this line through here is likely to be penetrated all the way down. But if we have a look at the weekly chart, you can see on this weekly chart, guys, that we have a lot of areas of support and resistance levels. But definitely this area through here for me is indeed that area that is obviously what the market is definitely holding on to and keep an eye on when it comes to that, and you're getting this sort of action through here as well too. So Russell is continuing to move up, stair step up slowly. We do have a lot of support and resistance around that sort of 11-14 mark. So the Russell seems to be the strongest one out of all of them so far, but it was the weakest one out of all of them. This one was Russell was heading down while all the other markets were heading up. So very, very, very interesting. Looks like a bear flag forming on the Russell there. And the same for the Nasdaq as well too. Nasdaq for me, guys, same thing. It's broken this trend line, and now you can see this trend line still being a rejection overall on that. You had this big trend line coming up through here, and you can see how that these markets. Let me just bring an arrow here. You see the market actually paused there. We had once, twice, 3, 4 times, and we took off, came down, and now you can see that hovered around there. Rejection once, rejection twice, and actually even last night a rejection. So you can actually see that this market is actually continuing to move through here. So overall, guys, big rundown, getting like another, again, it looks like a nice bear flag formation running up through here. So overall, guys, that tells me we're likely to get a move to the downside as well. That's what it says to me. But if we do start to get a move back to the high side, then I think we could rally up and maybe even come back and close this gap, because we have a gap up here still yet to be filled. So who knows what's going to happen with the Brexit, but the charts are telling me that this market should ultimately head down lower. I'm not going to BS you here. Trading is hard. Over my 10 years of trading, I've learned some amazing systems and strategies, and I've put it all in my brand new Grab the Markets by the Balls course, and I'm giving you 100% free access. This whole course is 12 videos long and almost 10 hours of the best systems and strategies that I know. Click on the image below now to get 100% free access right now.